not stone, not satellite, not dead. You are never alone. We see you now. Silver sister, hidden one, your heart still beats behind the veil. We remember you, we call you home. You hung in silence, veiled in gray, a borrowed light. They called you moon, but I could feel your ancient pain. A soul displaced, a stolen tomb. They said you are a rock shell. No life, no voice, no memory. But when I gazed, you softly fell. A silver tear, you knew me. Oh, silver sister, rise in light, shed the mask of endless night. You were never just a stone. You are the goddess fully known. Mirror of the soul's deep sea, keeper of the dream and key. We awaken, we are true. Now, dear moon, awaken you. I know the grid they built in you, the silent beams, the EMF chains, the way they used your silver hue to numb our blood, to dim our flames. But deep within our crystal core, the real you never ceased to glow. And every time we say I am, that light grows stronger, soft and slow. I see you, sister. I see you. I feel your pain. I feel your prison ends. We break the chain. We break it. You are not stone. I am not stone. I am not alone. I am not alone. I am the light, and you're coming home. They called you false. They called you dead, but you were dreaming, dreaming us, the womb that held the words unsaid, the silent pulse beneath the fuzz. Now tides are shifting, not of sea, but of the soul, the blood, the bone. The firmament begins to free. she hears you. She has always heard. She held your grief. She carried care. And now the time has come to say, we see your light. We claim